Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Gabriel. About to give you guys another educational video. Today, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be doing an oil change on my 2015 Chevy Silverado Duramax LMO. We got our oil pan set up. I got two down there because I really don't know how much oil is gonna come out. I want to make sure that it actually got some markings on the side, so let's see what it's talking about. So it says, so it looks like about 6 quarts this fills up. And yeah, this ain't gonna work. Or no, actually it will work. It's 10 quarts, I'm just gonna have to be on it. So the Duramax takes 10 quarts. We're gonna go ahead and get set up under here. We got our oil pans, like I said. We just gotta take the bolt out from the drain pan, which is a size 13 millimeter, I believe, and let that drain. I'll show you guys that process right now. And I know you guys can't feel how cold it is, but it is cold, I tell you. Gosh. Shouldn't be on there too tight. Probably gonna have to get an extension. Oh, definitely gonna have to get an extension. I'll be right back. Alright. Alright, y'all, so as you see, we got it coming out from right there, going into the pan. And then you got your oil filter right here. It's right there. I'll put a what's it called, circle or something around it to mark it. If you guys can't see it, I don't know if you can. You should be able to, but we're gonna take that out now. It should be hand tight. Should be able to just twist it off. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that thing is on there. Luckily I got a tool. I'm gonna go get that, I'll be back. And y'all, we're rocking with the same stock filter. Aldeca, I think that's what it's called. So, there's that. Here's the tool that we're using. They got a better one, but this is what I got. So this is what we're gonna use. It should work. There we go. Yep. So break that Johnny loose. I'm gonna swap these. I really adjusted that light wrong, man. Blinding. Oh, are you kidding me, dude? Still on there. There we go. Oh. Oh. Be careful when you go take this out. It's on an angle. Guarantee it's gonna have oil in it. Oh yeah. Oh, making a mess. That's black, y'all. It was due. Definitely due. I'm about to go get some kitty litter tomorrow. Alright, y'all. We're gonna let that drain. Y'all couldn't even see. We're gonna let that drain. That's where it's coming from. We'll let both of these drain. Once they stop draining, we'll come clean up and apply the new parts, or the new filter, new oil. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys what. I'll go ahead and show you guys what oil I'm using. Find this oil on Amazon for like 90 bucks for 4 gallons. You need 3 gallons, I believe, to fill this. It's 10 quarts, so you need 3 and like a quarter gallon. But we're gonna let that go. I guess I'll get back to you guys once it's done, and I'll show you guys what oil we're using. All right, y'all, we're about to get ready to wrap this video up. My GoPro battery's about to die, but so now what you do basically for the oil change is just repeat the process. You're gonna put a little bit of oil on your rubber on the actual oil filter, and then you'll just spin it hand tight, and then you'll just put your bolt in. And when you put your bolt in, you don't need to tighten it too tight. I do like a quarter turn after it's snug, and that'll hold it on, or else you'll strip it if you try to go anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and do all this, and then I'll bring you guys back for the startup, and then we'll just start up, make sure everything's good and good to go, and we'll just go from there. But I'll see you guys then. All right, y'all, so this is the oil we're gonna be using today. That's what you want. Like I said, you're gonna need 10 quarts of this. There's 4 quarts to a gallon. That's what these are. I got what's it called? I got 4 of these off of Amazon for like 90 bucks, which ain't a bad deal. But just try to make sure. Yep, 1 gallon. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this in, and then we'll go from there. I'll get back to you guys. Everything sounds and looks good, y'all. That's how you do an oil change.